3 men, all 4 boys, will take 50 days to complete a task. Will take 50 days to complete a task. How many days will 4 men and 3 boys take to complete the same task? How many days will 4 men and 3 boys take to complete the same task? Please here. 3 men, all 4 boys will take 50 days to complete the task. To do the same task, how many days will 4 men and 3 boys take to complete the same task? Please here. I will call it in 2 methods. Listen to this carefully. Method 1. See here. What is the first statement? 3 men will take 50 days to complete the task. Or 4 boys will also take 50 days to complete the same task. That means, can I say that work done by 3 men, and work done by 4 boys, both are same, right? Why? Because they both are taking same number of days to complete same task. They are doing the same task. They are not doing something different work, right? They are taking same number of days and they are doing the same task. So work done by 3 men and work done by 4 boys, both are same. That means it becomes 3m is equal to 4b, 3m is equal to 4b, 1m is equal to 4 by 3b, 1m is equal to 4 by 3b. Again, compared to the similar to the previous question, I am converting one variable to the other variable, right? Please here. What is your question? Your question is 4 men and 3 boys will take how many days to complete the task? So this becomes 4 into 1m is nothing but 4 by 3 boys. 4 into 4 by 3b plus 3b will take how many days? It becomes 16 by 3b plus 3b is how many days? If I take an LCM it becomes 16 plus 9. 25 by 3 boys will take how many days to complete the same task? That is my question, right? Here. If you observe the question, here it is a variable of boys. Here also take boys variable. So my question reduces. If I rephrase my question, it becomes 4 boys will take 50 days to complete the task. 4 boys will take 50 days to complete the task. 25 by 3 boys will take. 25 by 3 boys will take. How many days to complete the same task? That means you made your difficult question look like a very easy question. But my actual question is how to solve it further. At this point of time, so many students will make mistake thinking that it is a cross multiplication. They will think like 4 into question mark is equal to 25 by 3 into 50. Thereby you will get the value of question mark. But that is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Listen to this. I'll just take a small example. Suppose this is an example. Suppose 7 men will take 14 days to complete a task. 10 men will take how many days to complete the same task? 10 men will take how many days to complete the same task? Here. 7 men will take 14 days. 10 men will take how many days to complete the same task? What did you say? You said that it is a cross multiplication. Suppose if I cross multiply, let me cross multiply. This becomes 7 into question mark is equal to 14 into 10. It is 14 into 10. So your question mark is 14 into 10 divided by 7. This is 7 into 1, 7 into 2. So your question mark is 2 into 10 is 20 days. That means if you see your question again, 7 men will take 14 days to complete a task. 10 men will take 20 days to complete the same task. Is it possible? Just think logically. There are 7 men initially. They will take 14 days to complete some work. If I increase the number of men, will the number of days also increase? No. The number of days should definitely decrease. Men and days are always inversely proportional to each other. If I increase the number of men to complete a particular task, obviously the number of days to complete the task will go down, right? That means it is not a question of cross multiplication. You should never cross multiply. It is not always cross multiplication, sir. You should know when to cross multiply, when not to cross multiply. So this is not a question of cross multiplication. Then what else we need to do then? What is that we need to do other than cross multiplication? See here. Suppose, let me take a small example. If 1 pen is costing you 5 rupees, 1 pen is costing you 5 rupees, what is the cost of 7 pens? What is the cost of 7 pens? What is happening here? The number of pen increases. One pen is costing 5 rupees. I am purchasing 7 pens. Number of pen increases. If the number of pen increases, the amount paid to the shopkeeper also increases, right? Right. That means pen increases, number of pen increases, price also increases. That means they are directly proportional to each other. When two quantities are directly proportional to each other, you need to cross multiply. But here, men and days are inversely proportional to each other. If the men increases, days decreases. Men and days are inversely proportional to each other. When two quantities are inversely proportional to each other, you should never cross multiply. You should multiply them parallelly. That means you should multiply them like this, parallelly. 4 into 50. 4 into 50 is equal to 25 by 3 into question mark. 25 by 3 into question mark. This is 25 into 1, 25 into 2. Your question mark is 4 into 2 into 3. It is 24 days. Answer for this question is 24 days. Clear, right? This is your method 1. Please remember, whenever two quantities are inversely proportional to each other, you should never cross multiply. Answer for this question, in your answer option, if you observe the answer options, definitely there will be one answer option, which will be given, where the answer is nothing but the cross multiplication of this expression, right? Because they will definitely expect you to make a mistake by using such cross multiplication approaches. It is not always cross multiplication. Please remember, when two quantities are directly proportional to each other, it is cross multiplication. When two quantities are inversely proportional to each other, you should always multiply them parallelly. It is parallel multiplication. Clear, right? Please write on this. Very, very important question. This is still method 1. We will also see how we can easily solve this question without using any of these approaches by using method. Right? Please write on this. Again, in method 1, you can also use a different approach. What is the method that I used here? 3 men is 4 boys. 1 man is 4 by 3 boys. 1 man is 4 by 3. You converted the variable called as m to a variable called as b, and then you use b variable. You can also do it other way. 3 men is equal to 4 boys. 1 boy is 3 by 4 men. 3 by 4 men. Convert the variables, both the variables to men. Solve the question by using men. Still you will get the same answer as principle. Right? However, the way you want, you end up with the same answer. It all depends upon person to person. Which method you are comfortable with, please use that method. Clear? Method 2. Here. You need not do any of these things. Method 2 is straightforward, give you the answer. Please see. Method 2. Method 2. Here. Whenever it is an or and and based question, always remember days divided by and by or. Days divided by and by or. What is the meaning of this? Listen to this carefully. Days. What is the days given in the question? The days given in the question is 50. So it is 50 divided by and by or. And by or. Listen to this. There are two variables involved in this question. There are two parameters in this question. One is man, the other is boy. The other is boy. You take any variable at a time. Suppose if you are taking men parameter, do not worry about the boy parameter. Or if you are taking boy parameter, don't worry about the men parameter. Take any one parameter at a time. Suppose if I take men parameter, finish off and by or condition. That means here, what is the coefficient of men in and condition? Coefficient of men in and condition is nothing but 4. 4 and divided by or. Coefficient of men in or condition is nothing but 3. So, and by or for men is over. And by or for men is over. Next. Same thing. And by or for boy. Coefficient of boy in and condition is 3. Divided by coefficient of boy in or condition is 4. You simplify by taking an LCM. You still get the answer at 24 days later. That is what we got in method 1. Please here. This is not important for me. Suppose this question has only two variables. If the question has more than 2 variables, no change in the approach. Suppose 1 man or 2 women or 3 boys will take 57 days to complete the task. Will take 57 days to complete the task. In how many days will 1 man and 1 woman and 1 boy complete the same task? Complete the same task. Same approach. Days divided by add by 1. Days given is 57 divided by add by 1. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 over. Take the LCM, simplify every task. Understanding the approach, whether it is 2 variables, 3 variables or any number of variables, it makes no difference with respect to the approach called in method 2. But if you are using method 1 for this particular question, where it involves 3 variables, it will be a very difficult question because you need to involve 3 variables and you have only 2 equations and it will be a lot of trouble for you by solving the equation, right? Method 2 will give you the answer in 2 steps, method 1 will give you the answer in multiple steps. It is completely up to you which method to choose. Please write it down. Days divided by add by 1. Understanding the approach? Please write it down.